Okay, this baby orangutan is climbing this rope, and he's going to try to climb down to go see his dad, that big orangutan down the trench. I think that's what he wants to do. But I think he's a little bit scared to do it. See, he starts to go. Okay, but then he gets to the point that he stops. Not too sure. Okay, and then he turns around, maybe I'll try it one more time. Looks at it. And then he decides, better not. I'm going to go back to mom. So he tries to grab mom, but he forgets he has to let go of the rope. See, he's hanging on the rope, and the rope's pulling him down. Not sure if you can figure that out. He's trying to do that. You have to let go of the rope in order to get to mom. Because he's afraid to do it, because he's afraid he'll fall into the trench if he lets go of the rope. Look at the mom. She's folding that blanket, that green blanket, almost like what a housekeeper does.